Welcome to Online Simplicity. Today we are going to learn about top 10 keyboard shortcut keys in Google Sheets for daily use. Now a lot of people have switched from Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets because of its convenience, but not everybody knows the keyboard shortcut keys for Google Sheets, and this becomes a problem in a day-to-day usage. So I'm showing you top 10 keyboard shortcut keys for your daily usage. So the very first keyboard shortcut that we need to know is the menu for keyboard shortcuts. What is the shortcut key for the menu for keyboard shortcuts? So now that is control plus forward slash. So when I press control plus forward slash, I get a small pop-up over here. This shows the keyboard shortcuts. So now I can write the keyboard shortcut that I'm looking out for. Let's say if I want to see what is the keyboard shortcut for paste, so what I'll do is I'll just type paste over here and click on enter, and here it will show me control plus V. And if I want to paste format, then it is control plus alt plus V. So basically this is the first thing that we need to know, is that the shortcut for keyboard shortcut is control plus forward slash. Okay, now the second thing we need to know is fill down. Now what happens is, let's say you type something over here and you want to copy this thing, you want to copy paste this in the row just below it. So all you have to do is you have to just press Ctrl D, and the thing which is on the top will come down. You have to select the cell above which, the one which you want to copy, you want to copy and paste, and then press Ctrl D, and it directly comes down in the cell below it. So this is the keyboard shortcut 2. Now to fill range. Now what happens is, many a times, uh, let's say there is some data in a cell number G6, let's say it is alpha and here it is beta. Okay, I'm just writing this for demonstration purpose. Now let's say you want this thing in G8, G9 and G10. So what you have to do is, instead of writing a copy in the one option, is you can do control C, copy beta over here and paste it everywhere wherever you want it. Okay, that is option 1. Or what you can do is, you can just select the cell, okay, which you want to paste, then select the range and then control plus enter. So this brings down the entire data in the range in which you want to paste it. Okay, so it is very simple. Select the cell, control plus enter. Now let's say you are writing down numbers, 1, then 2, then 3, like this. You want, let's say you want to write numbers up till 10 or 30 or 50 or 100 or whatever. So instead of writing this one below the other, what you can do is again select the range. Okay, this is known as autofill range. Select the range. Let's say I'll select 1, 2 and 3 over here, and I will select till the point where I want to paste it. Okay, now I want 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 to come down. So what I'm going to do is, again I've just selected the range, control plus alt plus enter. So now this is going to paste the entire data below. Control plus alt plus enter. See, you have to select the range, then control plus alt plus enter. So this is the shortcut key to fill the numbers. Okay, now the most important shortcut key is insert link. What happens is, when we type something and we want to insert a link over there, it becomes a problem. We have to go here and we have to select it from here, or you have to go to insert and select it from uh, this drop down. What you can alternatively do is, you see here it's control K. So let's say there is a data over here ABCD, and I want to insert a link over here, okay, to this. All I'm going to do is, I'm just going to press control K, and here I have the link. I have the option to type the copy paste the link over here. So now you can put the link over here and then click on apply. Just for demonstration purpose, I'm going to put www.google.com and I'm going to click on apply. So now anytime anyone who clicks over here is directly going to be redirected to google.com. Okay, so that's shortcut number 5. Now the most important shortcut over here that we need to learn is insert row and column. Now there are two ways to do it. Let me show it. Let's say I want to insert a row above 10. What I can do is I'll press Ctrl plus Alt plus equal to. So it's going to ask me insert column or insert row. Okay, let's say I type insert column. So there's a column on the left. Now again I type Ctrl Alt equal to and I type insert row. So it will insert a row above. Okay, this is one way of doing it. What else you can do is select the area, select the row over which you want to insert the row, and then again click on Ctrl plus Alt and equal to. So then you won't get the choice. Then the Excel sheet, the Google sheet understands that you want to insert the row above the row which you have selected. The same holds good for column. Okay, let's say I select this entire column. Okay, now Control plus Alt plus equal to. Sorry, insert row. Control plus Alt plus equal to. So now there is a column on the left. So these are the two ways to do this. Okay. Another important shortcut key that we need to know is paste values only. Now let's say if I write a formula over here, sum of 1 plus 2 . Okay, so let's say I write this formula over here, I press enter, the answer is 3. Now I copy this thing. Okay, but I don't want to paste the entire formula in this column, in this cell. So what I do is I select Control plus Shift and then V. So you see here only number 3 is pasted over here. If you look here, there is only number 3 that has been pasted and the entire formula is not pasted over here. Whereas if I just copy this thing and paste it anywhere, let's say I paste it over here, then you see that the formula is also pasted over here. So if you do not want to paste the formula, then the option is Control plus Shift plus V. So now we'll move down to shortcut number 8. Okay, text wrap. Now if you want to do a text wrap in a particular cell, then the formula is Alt plus O plus W plus W. Let me give you an example. Let me just type something over here. I'll just type anything over here. Now you see that it is going to other cells also, the cells which are next to it. So what I'll do is I'll click on Alt O. You have to just click on Alt plus O together. Okay, I'll just show this once again. Alt plus O you have to click together and then just hit WW. That's it. Okay, I'll show this once again. I'll type over here just next to the formula. So I'm just typing anything over here. Now you don't have to press Alt plus O plus W all together. You have to just press Alt and O together. Okay, and then you can leave the keyboard and type, you can leave Alt plus O and then just hit WW. So it will get it will do a text wrap over here. I think this place was already having text wrap. I'll do it over here. Alt O WW. See, that's how simple it is. Now we come down to uh, shortcut number 9, hide row. So let's see, if I want to hide the row number 7, what I'll do is I'll hit Control Alt and 9. So the row number 7 is hidden over here. Now to unhide this or to show this row, it is little tricky. What you have to do is you have to select the rows above and below the hidden rows, then click Control plus Shift plus 9. So the hidden row is between 6 and 8, so I'm going to select this two. I'm not going to select the entire row, I'm just going to select the two cells over here. Okay, and then Control plus Shift plus 9, and the row is again visible. So to hide, it is Control Alt 9. I'll again do it, Control Alt 9. Row number 7 is hidden, and then to display it, I'll select the two cells above and below the row which is hidden, Control Shift 9. So here again it is visible. So this is about it, guys. If you have found value in this video, then please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.